In this video, you will learn how to upload a file into your e-learning course. Right now, we're looking at the e-learning training course shell. And you'll notice that I am in my course homepage. Because I want students to look at the syllabus, but I don't want them to read them online, I'm going to add the syllabus inside my e-learning as a file. In order to do this, I'm going to have to go to Build Content, and from its drop-down menu, select File. You'll notice that in the Create File page that it looks different from the Create Item page. This is because for files, you're only going to put the title and one file for students to download. So for the syllabus, I'm going to type in the title syllabus, and I'm going to now upload this file from my computer. Therefore, I'm going to select Browse My Computer. Because e-learning remembers the last location that you retrieved a file from, you'll notice that I happen to be in the Downloads folder and looking at the files inside of it. I so happen to have syllabus listed in my Downloads folder, so I'll go ahead and select it, and then choose Open. And now my file for the syllabus is now ready to be submitted. But before I do so, I want to point out some options. If, for example, I chose the wrong file, I'll have to choose the button Select a Different File in order to choose the right document. I could also, as you can see, change the color of my font for the name of my syllabus file. In terms of options, by default, the file option does not allow the syllabus to be opened in a new window. Although this option is available, I'm going to keep this to no to prevent complications or freezing if a student is using a mobile device. You'll also notice with standard options, by default, the syllabus will be readily available once I select Submit. As with other material that you can add inside of e-learning, you also have the ability to select a date and time restriction. However, because this is a syllabus I want students to have access to throughout the duration of the course, I'm going to leave the date and time restrictions alone. So now, I'm just going to select Submit. You'll notice now that my syllabus now appears on my course homepage underneath my Getting Started title. For my students, the syllabus is now ready to be downloaded by just selecting the name.